monster.
The Cookie Monster? What do you see there?
I see
You see the world, the earth, Earth.
Earth.
Yeah.
Earth.
Good. Where's the pizza?
Pizza.
Good.
Pizza.
Where's the ball?
Ball.
Good. Where's the boat?
A boat.
Good. Where's the drum? Remember the drum?
Drum.
You remember the tree? Where's the tree?
Tree.
Good.
Tree.
Yeah. Where's the letter A? Which one is it?
Earth.
That looks like the earth. Good, but we're looking for the letter A. There's a red letter A.
A.
Which one is it?
A B. B.
That's B. Very good. Where's A?
A.
Good. Where's C?
C.
Very good.
C.
C.
A.
Very good.
Alright.
That's right.
Alright.
That's right. Good job, Chloe. And how old is Chloe today? 22 months.